Hi folks, this is Susie Meadows, and I want to show you how to make a really cute and easy dog treat. A present. This is Christmas time. You can do this at any time, but I'm putting some packages together for some friends, and I don't want to leave out their pets. So what I'm going to be using Anyway, the items that I will be using: Christmas classic paper. I'm going to be using the Sahara sand. There's also shaded spruce and cherry cobbler, but I'm going to be using this. And it comes in a 6x6 piece of paper, double-sided. And I think I want this to be showing at the top. I'm going to fold this in half. Get my bone folder, maybe. Yes, get my bone folder, crease it down really good. And then I'm just going to bring it over and match the points to the outside. I don't want them sticking out, so there we go. Oh, nope, I want that down a little bit more. I want that up a little bit. There we go. I'm going to hold that, and with my bone folder, I'm going to crease this. Stampin' Up! Has some great paper, and this pattern paper is a nice one to use. And I will pull down this flap, and I'm going to fold that down. And there we go. This is called a diaper fold envelope. And when we put a treat in there, it actually holds that close, so you don't have to adhere that. Now, to decorate it, I'm going to use our Dog Builder Punch that's in our annual catalog, and just punch it. There we go. And you actually have an extra heart. Huh. Don't know that I'll use it this time. And I'm going to, with my multi-purpose glue, I think I'm going to do it this way. Do it a little bit different each time. Put just a little bit of glue on it because it doesn't take gobs. And I think I'll have Fido just peeking over the envelope there. Okay. We have these Playful Pets trinkets. There are bones, or there's hearts. And I think I'm going to go with the bone for the pup. And the way I put it on is with our mini glue dots. I just, with my fingernail, roll it so it's into a log, a smaller area. And I just press there we go. I just press that on there. Now I want a bow, so I'm going to go ahead and use the Playful Pets trim combo. There is black and white, or there is real red and white. I think I'm going to use the black and white, and I have already tied a ribbon. And so I am just going to roll that glue dot into a log. Okay, now that I've got both of them, now I can place them. Well, I'm gonna take your pick tool. I think I want my bone to be down just a little bit, and then I want my bow right on top of that. You could tie it through that little hole, but I'm not going to. And so there we go. We just put the bow right on top of it, and people don't even realize you didn't tie the whole thing. So there we go. So now we're ready to put the treat in there. Just pop it in there and do it like that. There we go. And we've got our treat. Now I'm going to also, we have these envelopes. They're clear medium envelopes, and I use them to put cards in to protect them when I go to classes and things, so people can handle the cards and I don't have to worry about inky fingers. But the nice things about this is that I can slide this right in here. This is closable. I mean, you take it off, and I'm just going to fold it down. And there we go. And that way folks can take that out. But what this does, it keeps this away from, because I'll probably put chocolate and other goodies in the basket, and I don't necessarily want everything touching. So this is a nice way to transport this. So hope you enjoyed this quick little video. If you've got any questions, just holler. You can get a hold of me at my shopping site. You can also email me through there. Or if you want any of these goodies, if you don't have them, I'd love to be your demonstrator. But give me a holler. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope you have a great day. Thank you.